Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avit here, and welcome to DevOps Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. So, can two EC2 instances in the same subnet be isolated from each other? So there are two EC2 instances, and they are in the same subnet. So can I isolate them, or they will be always able to talk? So if I can isolate them, how do I isolate them? That is the question. So answer is yes, you can isolate them. And how do you isolate them? The most common method is security group. This is the most common method. So security group, like it's like a your walls with the doors you can lock or open. So assign different security group to each instance. So for example, here we can create one security group which will maybe we can allow traffic only from application load balancer, and this security group can allow traffic only from maybe the CIDR of my IP address, like CIDR block. But they won't be able to talk to each other because I'm not allowing this IP address or this one, this instance IP address. So a security group you allow, and by default everything is denied, right? By default everything is denied. So let's go through this security group. Assign different security group to each instance. Set rules to allow only specific traffic, like from ALB or your laptop. Do not allow traffic from other instances. Easy to set up, works well, automatically allows replay traffic. For example, instance A allows traffic only from load balancer, instance B allows traffic only from a known IP, and they can't see each other. They're isolated. So this is the way we can isolate two EC2 instances in the same subnet. What is the other way? Second option could be OS level firewall. Like for example, in Linux we have IP tables. So this is the operating system level firewall. We can set it up, and we can deny traffic from the other IP address or other instance. So you can block traffic or allow traffic at the operating system level itself. We can do this, and it works without even AWS configuration, but setup is manual. Third option is application level control. You can app itself can design to reject unwanted traffic. For example, bind app only to a local host to require login authentication, or you can say that I will receive traffic not from this CIDR or this range of IP address. If it is there, I will reject it. That also it can be done at the application level itself. So best practice is use security group as your first level of defense. Follow least privilege. Allow only what is needed. Regularly review and test your rules, and use multiple methods for stronger security. But note that even when the EC2 is isolated, it will be able to access AWS services or APIs or use metadata service or do DNS lookup. So stronger isolation, it's better to put them in total different subnet inside the same VPC, but you can put them in different subnet and you can apply initial network access control list. So based on that, you can isolate. So let's go to the today's quiz section. Which of the following is the most common and recommended method to isolate two EC2 instance in the subnet? So we know that it's security group. Answer is C. Security groups are the primary method for controlling inbound and outbound traffic to instance, and they are easy to configure for instance levels isolation. Second question is, why are network ACLs considered stateless in AWS? Why it is called stateless? Because you must define rules for both inbound and outbound. So that's why it's a stateless. Once you define inbound, it doesn't automatically apply for outbound. You have to define separately. So that's why it's called stateless in AWS. So answer is C. Right answer is C. You must define rules for both inbound and outbound traffic. Network ACL do not remember connection state. So you must explicitly allow traffic in both directions. It doesn't remember the connection state. You have to explicitly allow traffic in both directions. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow DevOps Challenge Hub. I post quiz daily and organize contests. You can participate in that. And also follow WhatsApp channel, and I post updates regularly. So thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.